expansions. Formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first formula. Then second one same. A minus b whole square is equal to, what will be a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus
2ab plus b square.
A square
minus 2ab plus b square.
b2.
Ma'am,
Okay.
is it note later now?
No need of writing in the notebook. Just mark in your textbook itself. First one, second one. These are in the text page number 55. Okay. Then add this to third formula. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Don't write, first listen me. What will be a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square? If we add these two, we get a square plus 2ab plus b square. We have to add with this, no? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So what will be the answer? 2ab we can cancel, no? So a square and a square we will get it as 2a square. Then b square we will get it as 2b square. So if we take 2 common, balance will be
A square plus b square.
plus b square. So formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square formula is what? 2 into is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. This is the third formula. Okay. If anyone need, write this in the in your rough book. A plus b whole square. You need this? No need, no? Directly study the formula.
No need, ma'am.
Study the formula by heart. Okay. So next is fourth one. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, instead of we add this, no? So here we are doing a minus b the whole square, subtracting. So how can we? A plus b whole square, what will be the formula? A minus b the whole square is equal to, what will be? Instead of a plus b whole square, we will write it as a square plus 2a plus
2ab
b
plus
square. Minus is
minus
have to start a bracket. So a square minus 2ab plus
2ab plus b square.
then change the bracket. A square plus 2ab. What is clear now? Plus b square minus, change the bracket. So minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. So minus b square plus b square we can cancel. A square and minus a square cancel. 2ab plus 2ab is what? 4ab.
4ab.
Plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. That is the fourth formula. Okay, up to this understood? Then only I can go with 1 by a. Yes, so tell me a plus b whole square. A plus
A square plus 2ab
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
a minus b whole square.
A square
minus
2ab plus b square.
A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square.
2a square
Into a square plus b square.
Within brackets. No, within brackets we want to write a square plus b square. Same way a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square.
4ab.
4a.
4ab.
4a. Okay, is it clear now? Is it clear? Okay, so instead of b, first equation, first formula. Instead of b, I am writing it as 1 by a. So what will happen to this equation number 1? Instead of a, I am writing, instead of b, not a, instead of b, I am writing a. So how can we change this? A plus 1 by
plus 1 by a
the
whole square is equal to
tell me.
a square plus
A
a
square
square plus 2
A square.
into 1 by A plus 1 by A B 1 by A square.
The whole square. Up to this understood? So which is equal to A square, AA into, no, so we can cancel this AA. Remaining only 2. 2 plus 1 by A whole square means what? Square is common for 1 and A. So we can write it as what? 1 square by A square, no? 1 by A whole square means what? 1 square by A square. 1 square is what? 1. Divided by A square itself. So instead of 1 by A whole square, we can write it as 1 by A square. So next formula is what? A plus 1 by A whole square is what? A plus 1 by A whole square is equal to A square
A
plus
square
2.
plus 2 plus
We will rearrange this. A together we will do A square plus 1 by A square plus 2. So A plus 1 by A the whole square is what? A square plus 1 by A square plus 2. Understood? So fifth formula, A plus 1 by A the whole square is equal to A square plus 1 by A square plus 2. From where we got this? Instead of B, we replace it as 1 by A. So that B means B will be there. Since it is 1 by A, that A will cancel and we will get only 2. So A square plus 1 by A square plus 2 is what? A plus 1 by A whole square. Okay.
Ma'am, fifth one we have to mark.
Which one? Fifth one? Sure. A plus 1 by A. Two formulas are there. 1 plus here. A plus 1 by A whole square is equal to A square plus 1 by A square plus 2. That you mark. That only one.
Okay, ma'am.
One is enough. No need of writing that bold one. First you mark this one only. Okay. After that I will explain that next one. Understood, no? Which implies, no need of writing that implies. Only write A plus 1 by A whole square is equal to A square plus 1 by A square plus 2. After that in your text it is one implies is there and something is written there. No need of writing that. Okay. Similarly, after this I will explain about that. So what about A minus 1 by A whole square? Same way, instead of B we will replace it as 1 by A. So what will happen to this? Tell me. A minus 1 by A whole square. Next point is that
A square
minus
minus
A square
minus 2 into A plus 1 by A plus 1 by A whole square.
into. Here also that A will cancel. So last it will become what? A square plus 1 by A square instead of
1 by A
minus
square minus 2.
minus 2. So mark that A minus 1 by A whole square is equal to A square plus 1 by A square minus 2. That only. Only mark that. Okay. Then next we can discuss about that implies. No. One implies is the A plus 1 by A whole square. Up to this clear? So
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
A plus 1 by A whole square? A plus 1 by A whole square is what? A square
plus by A square plus 2.
plus 2. And next is what? A minus 1 by A the whole square is equal to A square
A
plus
square plus 1 by
1 by
A square minus 2.
1 by A square minus 2.
minus 2. Suppose if we want to find out while doing problem, if you know this only means no problem. You can adjust and do. But in your text it is written one implies is there, no? That I will explain. That means from this, if we want to find out A square plus 1 by A square, what we will do? One implies is written there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That explanation I am giving you now. A square plus 1 by A square. A square plus 1 by A square will be what? Tell me. A square plus 1 by A square only right side. We can take this positive 2 to the left side. So it will become what? A plus
A
1
plus 1 by A whole square minus
minus
2.
that is the next formula implies. Check it. Implies. Look at that. From that formula, we got which one? A square plus 1 by a square is equal to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So this also you have to write. This one. That also you mark.
Ma'am, ask the 7th one.
As the 7th one. That is better. 7th one you write. Otherwise it will make you confusion. Like writing like the same way means it will make you confusion. Better a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square is equal to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2. Similarly, what about a square plus 1 by a square? With the which one? Same a square plus 1 by a square, we have two formula. Here also a square plus 1 by a square. Depending upon the question, we will change. That's why this is not so much important. Understood? This formula 7th and 8th is not so much important. So depending upon the question, we will write. That's why. So how can we write a square plus 1 by a square from here? How can we write a plus 1 by a square? A minus, a
1 by a whole square plus 2.
plus 2.
Plus 2.
So two formula we have for a square plus 1 by a square. If the question is what? A minus 1 by a, we can apply which formula? This one. If the question is a plus 1 by a, we have to apply this formula. So depending upon the question, we will change that a square plus 1 by a square. We have to find out a square plus 1 by a square. Given a minus 1 by a is equal to 4. So which formula we have to apply? A square plus 1 by a square we have to find out. Given a minus 1 by a is equal to 4. First formula or the second formula?
Second one.
Second. Understood. So question is a minus 1 by a means depending upon that question only we can say whether we have to substitute a minus 1 by a or a plus 1 by a. Okay. So if you are not studying 7 and 8, you should study with the which one should be thorough with which was with which one 5 and 6. 5 and 6 very important. 5 and 6. From 5 and 6 we are getting which one 7 and 8. So if we study 5 and 6, then it will be easy. If you substitute that, we can just change that and we will get answer. Okay. So 5 and 6. Then next 7, 8. Okay. Then same way a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square we got it as 2 into a square plus b square. So instead of b, if we replace 1 by a, what will happen to this? Instead of b, if you are writing 1 by a, here 1 by a, answer will be what? Same thing will happen, no? So 2 into
Square plus 1 by a square.
1 by a square. 1 by a square. So next formula, 7th one. 7th one. A plus 1 by a expansion, a minus 1 by a expansion we have. So 2 into a square plus 1 by a square, mark it. 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. So same way for a plus b, instead of a plus b 1 by a, here also 1 by a. So what will happen here? B also will become 4a, b will become 4a into 1 by a. So what will be the answer?
A and A cancel.
A we can cancel. So it will be
4 into 1 is 4.
4 only. So a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 4. 10 you have. No, 9. This is the 10th one. 10 formula you have to study. The first part you have to study. The 10 formula remaining a plus b whole cube is there. So that's why I told you to leave some space. You need some space. 1 or 2 pages. Okay, you have to leave 1 or 2 one page. One 2 pages is enough. 2 is enough. So
Ma'am, after the class, we have to copy this in notebook.
yes. After this class, you have to.
Okay, ma'am.
Page number 58 also, you have to write in that after explaining, not now. This also. So you need some space for writing this also. This a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, you know. A plus b whole cube also we want to write in our notebook. So after exercise 4a. So that's why I told you to leave 2 pages. So next we can start the exercise. Exercise 4a. Start. Page number 57. Exercise 4a. So I think you are thorough with the formula. Study that formula properly, okay? A plus b whole square. Tell me, a plus b
A
whole
square plus 2A plus B square.
a square plus bab plus b square. A minus b whole square.
A square minus 2AB plus B square.
A square
Yes.
minus 2AB
2ab
minus.
plus b square. So for exercise 4a, write down. Leave 2 pages and write third page. The third page write exercise 4a. Starting you should write the date, okay? So now no need to write the date. Find the square of. Find the square of. First question 2a plus b. First question 2a plus b. So answer, we know the question is 2a plus b. So this will be in the form of what? Find the square of. No. So this will be in the form of that you should write formula, very important. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then write which one? Question 2a plus b. The whole square we have to find out. Find the square of. So we have to find the square of 2a plus b. So symbolically we will represent like this way. 2a plus b, the whole square is equal to. Then if you have any confusion, do in the working column. Here a stands for what? 2a and b stands for b itself. Okay. Up to this right now. Then instead of a, we have formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Up to this completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Need time? Others?
No, ma'am.
I'm
Not
completed.
No, ma'am, completed.
completed. Okay. So a square. So here instead of a we want to replace it as what? Don't write now.
2A.
First listen. I will give you time. Same model only we have to do. That's why. A means here 2a. So a square means what we have to write here?
2A
2a square.
2a whole
Square.
plus 2
plus 2 into
2
2A whole 2A
into b.
B
Either you can
plus
write 2 into 2a into b. This symbol also you can write. Why I am writing this means sometimes if you are writing, if you are seeing my handwriting, sometimes you will feel this as into or plus, I don't know. That's why it will make you confusion. That's why I am using this bracket. If you want to write into, you can write into, you can follow into. Okay. That is depending upon you. So plus b square is b square itself. Any doubt in this step?
no ma'am.
Right.
No, ma'am.
So 2a plus b whole square is 2 square. That square is common for 2 and 3a. So 2 square is 4. A square is a square. Then plus 2 into 2, 4. Multiply numbers first. First write numbers. After that variables. Okay. A into b is what? A, b we can write together. Plus b square. This is your answer. Easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed. So second and third question homework. Same as a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Second and third homework. Then fourth one, do it. After that, we can wind up. Fourth one. Fraction. 3a by 2b. So now onwards, after each exercise, you have to upload your, after each exercise, that is better, exercise wise, you have to upload your answers through Microsoft Teams. Okay. Then do the fourth one. Same way, write a is equal to what and b is equal to what. First, fourth question. 3a by 2b minus 2b divided by 3a the whole square. So if you don't know directly, please write a is equal to b is equal to. So before that, you have to write a minus b whole square. That all things you have to write. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then only it will be easy for you. Here a stands for what? A is equal to 3a by 2b and b is equal to 2b by 3a. Can you do?
Ma'am, fourth question whole square is not there.
That means what? 3. Look at that question. Read the question. Find the square of. That means that's word in your square that you have to change it into what symbolic representation. Find the square of this one means what we have to do? We have to change that. Find the square. SQUARE. That square we have to replace it as what? Like this way. Understood? Again doubt? Is it clear? Simply if you are writing without square means how can you find the value? 3a by 2b minus 2a by 3b is that only no. We want to find the square of this. Is it clear? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood. So you have to write the square. Question is square. We have to find the square of. Find the square of 2 means what you will write? Find the square of 2.
2 square. 2 square is equal
2
to
raised
2 square that is equal to 4. Same way, find the square of this means you have to write in square the 2 square. Same way that square we have to write. So A stands for 3a by 2b, B stands for 2b by 3a. So same a square minus means
3a by 2b whole square minus 2 into 3a by 2b into 2b by 3a plus 2b by 3a whole square.
the whole square. Then it will be 3 square. 9a square divided by 4b square. Then this calculation, if you want, you can do in the working order. Check it. 2 into means 3a. 2 into, if you are writing instead of bracket, 2b into 2b by 3a. Something will cancel, no? So what will be the answer? Answer. Completed. 3 we can cancel. This 2 and this 2 we can cancel. A we can cancel. B or cancel. Remaining only 1 2 will be there. Plus 2b whole square means 4b square by 9a square. Okay, that's your final answer. Okay. Okay, thank you all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
sufficient.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.